Once upon a time, in a bright, sunny meadow, lived a little flower named Flora. She was a tiny daisy with soft white petals and a golden center. Unlike the tall, proud sunflowers and colorful tulips around her, Flora felt plain and small. She wished to be special one day. A curious bumblebee named Buzz landed on Flora. "Why so sad, little daisy?" he asked. Flora shared her wish to stand out. Buzz smiled and said, "You're already special. Your petals are soft and your heart shines like the sun. Plus, you're my favorite spot to rest." Flora didn't believe him until a group of children ran into the meadow. They giggled and picked flowers for a bouquet, but chose Flora to wear in their hair. "You're perfect," they cheered. Flora felt her petals glow with joy. From that day, Flora learned she didn't need to be tall or bright to be special. Her kindness and gentle beauty made her unique. She stood proudly in the meadow, happy to be herself, knowing every flower has its own story to bloom.